into the snow. It's falling on my head. To tell anything. Oh, la la la. Off the hood. Maybe it's something stupid like a pulley, huh? Something that's spinning with RPM. Shit, what the hell? Almost like it's back here. Something falling in there, maybe? Oh, I'm upside down now. There's the oil pan. Sounds sort of like the bottom end. I don't know. Something. Like something in there. The back of the bottom end. In here. And there. Close to the oil pan. Yeah, it's quieter. It's right in the bottom end. I think it's in the bottom end. Right now, that's what it's eating at. It's so weird. Oil analysis is perfect. There's no abnormal wear. Holy shit. You know, so then, and through the whole damn engine. So right now it's just in reverse, guys. And then so you take the load off the engine, park, sound is gone. Oh, so messed up. So messed up. Anyways, guys, my name is Marcel Ernie. If you have any idea what this is, keep in mind the oil analysis shows I've done 5 with this oil, and the oil's viscosity is at a 40 weight SAE, and the additives are fine. The oil is fine for continued use. There's no abnormal rise in wear level. The wear level has not risen from the metals of the engine. So it can't be a spun bearing. That would create excessive wear. The balance rates have been checked. They're all like, the most one that is like 3%, plus 3%, one of them. They're all fine, and it's tested a couple different times. Under load, under driving, etc. Even driving, they don't go too far out of whack. So, anyways, this is an LMM 2009.